Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Soma Gym Calorie Tracker app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Soma Gym Calorie Tracker is a health and fitness app designed to help users monitor daily calorie intake, track macronutrients, and support weight management goals. The platform allows users to log meals, scan food items using a built-in barcode scanner, and view detailed nutritional information for calories, protein, carbs, and fat. Users can also set personalized targets based on goals such as weight loss, maintenance, or muscle gain, and track how food intake aligns with those goals over time. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Soma Gym's straightforward food logging interface and the convenience of scanning barcodes to capture nutritional data quickly. The summary dashboards that display calories consumed versus calories remaining for the day help users stay accountable to their goals, and customizable macronutrient targets offer flexibility for different diet plans. Progress tracking charts and daily summaries also make it easier to visualize eating patterns and adjust habits accordingly. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report that the food database may be limited compared with larger nutrition apps, requiring manual entry for certain foods or regional items. Advanced analytics, such as detailed macro trends over long periods or personalized meal planning suggestions, may require a premium subscription. Others note that ad placements in the free version can interrupt the logging experience. In summary, the Soma Gym Calorie Tracker app may be worth using if you want a simple, barcode-enabled calorie counting tool with macronutrient tracking and visual progress summaries. However, if you require the most comprehensive food database or advanced diet analytics without subscriptions, you may want to compare alternatives. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.